So today we're doing a recipe out of my book called Love in Your Air Fryer. We're gonna make enchiladas, huevos verdes. And we're doing it in the PowerXL air fryer dual basket. We're doing this for brunch. We're starting with eggs. Into the eggs, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take salsa verde. So now let's get into rolling the enchiladas. What's in this recipe? Now, it's sauteed onions, sauteed peppers, sauteed garlic, sauteed broccoli, and spinach. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna put all that sauteed beautiful vegetable right down the middle. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add cheese, and then we're gonna give it a roll. And what I do is I just roll one side, I flip it up, roll one side, and then I kind of mush these two with my fingers together and give it an extra spin. We're literally gonna pour the egg mixture all over these enchiladas. So this is the beautiful reveal right there. Look at the extra egg left over. I love that. This is a real beautiful, easy to make brunch. See you later, bye.